Ever pondered the secret behind Warren Buffett's phenomenal success in the stock market? Could it be a unique strategy, a golden touch, or maybe, just maybe, it's the books he's read? Today, we uncover 5 engaging books that provide a comprehensive understanding of the world of investing. First up, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This timeless classic, often touted as the Bible of investing, delves into the principles of value investing. Graham emphasizes the importance of having a margin of safety and understanding the difference between investing and speculating. He teaches readers to focus on the intrinsic value of a company rather than its stock price. With its insightful and practical advice, The Intelligent Investor stands as a must-read for anyone stepping into the investment world. Second on the list, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Malkiel challenges traditional investment strategies with his efficient market hypothesis. He asserts that market prices are essentially unpredictable, rendering most investment strategies futile. This book offers a compelling argument for the adoption of a buy-and-hold strategy and the use of index funds. It's a thought-provoking read that encourages a re-evaluation of one's investing approach. Next, we have Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Fisher revolutionizes the way we look at stocks by introducing the concept of growth investing. He extols the virtues of investing in innovative companies with the potential to achieve above-average growth. His 15 points to look for in a common stock provide a valuable checklist for any aspiring investor. The fourth book, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle, introduces readers to the world of index investing. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, advocates for low-cost index funds over high-fee, actively managed funds. He demonstrates how simple and effective investing can be if one sticks to the basics and ignores the noise of the market. Finally, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, although not strictly an investing book, provides valuable insights into money management. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education and the difference between assets and liabilities. He encourages readers to make money work for them rather than working for money. This book serves as an excellent starting point for those seeking to change their perspective on wealth and investing. In conclusion, these 5 books offer a wealth of knowledge for both novice and seasoned investors. They provide different perspectives on investing, from value and growth investing to the efficient market hypothesis and index investing. Each book, with its unique approach, contributes to a holistic understanding of investing. So why wait? Dive in and start building the foundation of your investment journey. As Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn."